small kitchen appliance that I recommend for every meal prep kitchen is an air fryer. This is such an amazing appliance. It is perfect for big kitchens down to a college dorm. If you don't have space for an oven or a toaster, an air fryer can do almost everything that an oven and a toaster can do. It's also great for roasting vegetables, baking breads, reheating food like you would with a microwave, and so many other preparations. I use this air fryer almost every day for cooking. You can roast vegetables in half of the time that it takes in a big oven. So I would definitely recommend checking out an air fryer and adding one to your meal prep equipment. This one is made by PowerXL. I've been using it for about 4 years and it still works really great. So this is definitely something to add to your list.
All right, and there's the finished air fryer roasted cauliflower. If you like it even more roasted, you can keep going, but this is kind of about the texture that I like. Next, I'll show you how I like to serve this dish. Okay, so it's the end of the day for my Daniel fast, and I'm gonna have my dinner now. I'm gonna enjoy my homemade queso, rice, and bean bowl that I prepared yesterday as part of my meal prep. This is just cooked rice, refried pinto beans, and a homemade queso sauce, as well as some cabbage and fresh guacamole that I prepared. All I have to do now is place this dish, this Pyrex dish, into my PowerXL Air Fryer for 10 minutes at 370 degrees. I'm gonna stir it about halfway through to make sure that all the heat gets into the center of the dish. Then once that's nice and warm, I'm gonna put this into a serving dish with the cabbage and the guacamole and put some taco sauce on top and enjoy that for dinner. All right, let's get this heated. Okay, so my queso, rice, and beans is finished cooking in the air fryer. I'm just gonna take some of this and scoop it into my serving bowl. This looks really good. I'm excited to eat this.